Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are making pina colada. This one is halal because it doesn't use any alcohol, whereas the original one uses alcohol. To make this, it's very easy. You need 1 cup pineapple juice, half a cup of coconut milk, half a cup of pineapple cubes. We're using canned ones. If you have fresh ones, use them. They just have to be cold. 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream and a little bit of ice cream. So to make this recipe, it's very simple. You just have to combine everything in a blender. So we're adding our pineapple first. This is the ice cream, ice cubes, and at this time you have to be careful with the blades of your blender because ice cubes are very powerful. So if your blender doesn't have extremely sharp blades, it might be damaged or it could break. Pineapple juice, and lastly coconut milk. Now we're just going to blend it like we would with any other smoothie, except for we're going to use the pulse function just to break our ice cubes. So this is what they look like after we've served them. We just served them with some more pineapple chunks because I think it's better this way. It's very nice, it's cold and it's refreshing and it tastes delicious, and it's not too sweet either. And you know my problem with sweetness, so I hope that you guys enjoyed it and I hope that you guys try it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below if you like this kind of content, and support me on Facebook and Instagram so you guys can help me make more content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.